I'm doing another quick wash and go, and I hope you guys like. Please stay tuned. So my hair is actually shampooed and conditioned here, and it's pretty it's wet, but my hair dries very fast, so I'm just gonna go ahead and oil the scalp. And then you see me here just penetrating my scalp and getting the oil in and just massaging my scalp, just giving it a nice little rub. And yep. Oh my goodness, guys, I absolutely love this product. I'm gonna go ahead and part my hair in sections and apply this on my scalp. I want to say if it's your first time using this product, it's gonna give your scalp a medicated feeling, and it makes your hair feel super healthy after applying. So this is definitely a must buy. Again, here I'm just demonstrating how I apply the product on my scalp, and I'm just going through each section and just rubbing it gently on my scalp. As you can see, my hair dries pretty fast, so I do have to go in with a spray bottle and just moisturize my hair and get my hair super wet before I apply all the other products. Then I go in with my T-tree leave-in conditioner, and I just take a decent amount. I'm kind of generous, and I just lavender that all through my hair, get that in each piece, kind of like rake through my hair just to get each section. So after I use my leave-in conditioner, I like to go in with an oil, and this is olive oil, and I'm just gonna rake through each section again. Just make sure I'm moisturizing the ends of my hair, because the ends of my hair tend to get pretty dry, so I'm just focusing on locking in that moisture. And lastly, it's the gel. I'm using Extreme Gel, the clear one, and I'm just raking through the gel, raking through my hair with the gel, and just applying it on each strand. And you're gonna see that curl pop out. Yes, this is like my favorite part, just seeing the curl pattern come to life. I love it. Oh my goodness, I love it, I love it. So here you see I'm taking a strand and twirling it around my finger. I like to get a nice size or amount of hair, just because I don't like when my curls are too small. So I'm just literally taking a piece and twirling it around my finger. I'm just gonna say this style is not for the weak. Listen, this is a lot of work. We're almost there, but I'm telling you, this is not for the weak. But look at them curls though. Look at them curls. The shrinkage though, it's so short. So one side down, the other side to go. As you can see here, I am over it, but I'm almost there and I'm not giving up. I am finished. What do you guys think? This is my hair, wet and finished. It's a little frizzy at the top, but I like the way the ends look. What do you guys think? Thanks so much for tuning in. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks again. Bye.